Most people think divorce in India is a quick decision, file papers, sign, done. But the truth is far more complicated. Even mutual consent divorces take months, and contested ones can drag through years of court appearances and mediation. Today we are breaking down exactly how the process works. Let's start with the easier path, mutual consent divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act. Both spouses agree to end the marriage and submit a joint petition to the family court. You need to be married for at least 1 year. You'll file Form 7 and 8 with the court, along with an agreed settlement, who gets what, custody arrangements, maintenance if applicable. Here's what most people get wrong: even with full agreement, you can't just sign and leave. The court requires a waiting period. After you file, there's a 30-day cooling-off period. Then both spouses have to appear in court and confirm they still want the divorce. Only after that second appearance can the judge grant the decree. Total realistic timeline: 4 to 8 months, sometimes longer if the court is backlogged. The fee for mutual consent divorce in most family courts is between 500 rupees to 2000 rupees for court filing. But you'll also need an advocate. Most charge 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees depending on complexity and your city. If there's a settlement to negotiate, costs go higher. And if you are contesting property or custody, you are looking at 50,000 rupees to 2 lakhs rupees or more across the case. Now, contested divorce. One spouse wants out, the other doesn't, or they disagree on terms. You file under Section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act, citing grounds: cruelty, adultery, desertion, mental illness, communicable disease, or other statutory reasons. This is where the process gets long. You'll attend multiple hearings over 18 months to 3 years or more. In contested cases, the court almost always orders mediation first. Lok adalats and court-appointed mediators try to get both sides to settle. If mediation fails, and honestly, it often does when emotions are high, the case goes to trial. You'll present evidence, witnesses, and cross-examination. Judges take their time reviewing cruelty claims, financial records, and custody details. It's not TV drama. It's methodical and slow. One thing I want to be direct about: contesting divorce is emotionally draining and financially brutal. Court fees alone can exceed 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. Advocate fees for a contested case often reach 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakhs rupees depending on case complexity, your city, and how many hearings you attend. And the emotional cost: repeated court visits, reliving painful details, uncertainty takes a toll most people underestimate. Here's the real insight: most people who contest divorce eventually settle anyway, just after spending far more money and time. If both sides can negotiate even basic terms, mutual consent is almost always smarter. But if there's genuine disagreement on custody, domestic abuse, or hidden assets, contested divorce is your only option. The question isn't whether the system works, it does, but whether you are prepared for the reality of how long and expensive it actually is. One last thing: maintenance and custody decisions continue even after the decree. If you are ordered to pay spousal or child maintenance, that's enforceable monthly. If custody terms change later, you can file a modification petition. The divorce decree isn't the end, it's the legal start of your new separate life, with ongoing obligations to the court. So here's your takeaway: mutual consent divorce takes 4 to 8 months and 10,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees with an advocate. Contested divorce takes 18 months to 3+ years and 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakhs rupees or more. Both require court appearances. Both require patience. Both are legally sound processes under the Hindu Marriage Act. The timeline isn't negotiable, but your strategy for getting there is. If you are facing a family law situation, divorce, maintenance, custody, or anything else under the Hindu Marriage Act, subscribe for more breakdowns of real Indian legal processes. We don't do clickbait here. We do real information that helps you understand your actual options and timelines.